Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. This is Mr. TECHFOX here and welcome to a new video. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can use VS Code while developing an application using the single code base Flutter. If it helps, please consider subscribing to this channel. So you don't want to use Android Studio and you want to shift in VS Code. So I'm going to help you. First of all, you have to download and install the VS Code on your Mac OS or Windows OS. So normally open a browser and search on the search bar VS Code, download. And then open the first page and here you will get options to download. Just download according to your operating system. Since I'm using Mac OS, so I already have downloaded Mac OS version. So I'm gonna minimize the screen and then I'm gonna open my VS Code. So this is the interface of my VS Code. I'm gonna click on this cross icon and then normally clicking on this document icon. Then click on this open folder to choose the workspace or your workspace folder. I'm gonna choose a folder right now, clicking on this open folder and choosing this workspace folder for myself. And after that, here you can see some files are there on the left side. I'm gonna create an app here. To do that, normally I'll take the help of terminal. Just normally swipe up and here you will get some options. And here you will see terminal. Click on it and choose new terminal. Now you have to type on the terminal Flutter create and type here app name. For example, I'm giving a name here demo app. Just press on the enter button to create the app. And here you can see that a folder named demo app has been created. So actually this is our app. So make sure that you have entered on that folder. But before doing that, we are going to install some extensions. So normally click on this extensions icon and here you have to type Flutter and then normally install this Flutter and install these Flutter widget snippets. And again, you have to type here Dart. Install this Dart also and install this code runner. And finally, normally you have to type here Android, iOS, emulator. This is the emulator. And that's it. Now, make sure that you have entered on your apps folder. So actually, we are on the root folder, I mean workspace folder. So type here ls. Normally type here cd and the app name. So I have given the name as demo app. And now I'm inside on the app. And now I'm going to run the app. But to do that, normally I have to turn on my simulators or emulators. How can I do that? Let's see. So expand the app and choose library, main. And here you will see the phone icon here. Actually, this is the emulator icon or simulator icon. So click on it and choose your emulators. Since I'm using Mac operating system, so I'm gonna choose this iOS simulators. I'm gonna choose a model iPhone 16 Plus. And here you can see that this is my simulator. So I'm gonna keep it here. All right. And now I'm going to run it. Since we are inside the app folder, normally we can type here Flutter run and press on the enter button. And here you can see that our app is going to run here. Just wait a few seconds. Here is your app. So normally I'm just testing it. That's it. Now you can run your project on VS Code. So thanks for watching. See you in the next one. If you face any problem, let me know in the comment. See you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.